Hello and welcome back to Consumer Heaven, your go-to place for honest reviews and smart gadget recommendations. Today, we're stepping into the exciting world of MIDI controllers with a focus on the top 5 best 49-key MIDI controllers you can buy in 2025. After weeks of in-depth research, real hands-on testing, and listening to actual user feedback, I've carefully put together this list to help you make the right choice, whether you're a beginner just starting out, a music producer crafting beats, or a live performer looking for reliability on stage. And here's something extra. All the featured products are available with the best Amazon deals, and I've included those links in the description below so you can easily check them out. So, without further delay, let's dive right in. Number 5. Alesis V49 MIDI Keyboard. The Alesis V49 offers an excellent balance between simplicity and functionality. Featuring 49 full-size velocity-sensitive keys, it delivers responsive playability, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced musicians. It also includes 8 velocity-sensitive backlit pads for triggering drum sounds and samples, along with 4 control knobs, 2 wheels, and octave shift buttons that give you full command over your music. Connectivity is simple with USB power and support for a sustain pedal, plus a 6.3mm jack input on the back. This makes the V49 versatile enough for home studios and live setups. Whether you're cutting beats, recording melodies, or jamming with virtual instruments, the Alesis V49 is a reliable, budget-friendly choice. Number 4. Akai Professional MPK249. If you're after a professional-grade controller, the Akai MPK249 is hard to beat. It features 49 semi-weighted full-size keys with a premium piano-style keybed, delivering an authentic feel and superior response. One standout feature is the 16 RGB backlit MPC-style pads with 4 banks, giving you access to 64 total pads for samples, loops, and beats. Alongside that, you'll find 24 assignable controls, knobs, faders, and switches, making it easy to map and tweak your DAW or plugins. The MPK249 also includes a USB MIDI interface with 5-pin MIDI I/O, perfect for integrating with external gear. On top of that, it comes bundled with software like Ableton Live Lite, Hybrid 3 by Air Music Tech, and Sonavox Twist 2.0. If you're serious about production, this one is a powerhouse. Number 3. M-Audio Oxygen 49. Compact yet powerful, the M-Audio Oxygen 49 is designed for portability without sacrificing performance. It features 49 synth-action velocity-sensitive keys for expressive playing and also packs in 8 drum pads, 8 knobs, and 9 faders for hands-on control. Transport buttons let you control your DAW directly, and the LCD screen provides real-time feedback so you always know what parameter you're tweaking. The Oxygen 49 also offers seamless DAW integration out of the box with Ableton Live, Pro Tools, Logic, Cubase, and many others. Plus, it includes a software bundle worth over $100. For producers who want both portability and functionality, this is a solid pick. Number 2. Alesis V49 Advanced Model. This updated Alesis V49 takes the features of the earlier version and builds on them with MP-style drum pads, illuminated buttons, and assignable knobs that give you real-time control over filters, effects, and volume. The V49 editor software makes customization easy, letting you tweak MIDI messages and adjust velocity curves to suit your playing style. It also includes a premium software package, Pro Tools First, Ableton Live Lite 9, and 11 Lite, among others. With its intuitive design, strong software integration, and hands-on controls, this Alesis V49 is a powerful choice for modern music producers. Number 1. M-Audio Keystation 49 MK3. Topping our list is the M-Audio Keystation 49, a controller that balances simplicity, quality, and value. It comes with 49 full-size velocity-sensitive keys, ergonomically designed pitch and modulation wheels, octave shift buttons, and a sustain pedal input. While it's compact enough for small studio setups, it still offers advanced functionality with customizable controls for your DAW. Setup is quick and easy. Just plug in via USB and you're ready to play. No drivers or power supply needed. What sets the KeyStation apart is its comprehensive software package, which includes Pro Tools First, M Audio Edition, Ableton Live Lite, and a collection of virtual instruments like Mini Grand, Velvet, and Xpan 2. This makes it a fantastic choice for beginners and professionals alike. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best 49-key MIDI controllers in 2025. Whether you need professional-grade features, portable performance, or a budget-friendly starter keyboard, there's something here for everyone. You'll find all the Amazon links down in the description if you'd like to learn more or pick one up for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Heaven for more in-depth reviews every week. Which MIDI controller caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.